Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora right now sitting just under 5 cent, 4.887 cent, $218.4 million in market cap, 488 million in FDV. We've been going sideways on Zora for a minute, right? We've been ranging from that 5 cent to 5 cent range. In my opinion, it's just a great time to accumulate Zora. Like I said, if you could afford 100,000 Zora, I would definitely think that is a great investment to make. But even if you could just afford 50,000 Zora, which 50,000 Zora right now is $2,445, right? That's half of the 100,000. For $2,445 is a lot of money, in my opinion, right? So I don't think you should break the bank and go too crazy, right? Anywhere from 20,000 to 100,000, anywhere in that range, just invest what you're willing to lose, right? Remember, the crypto space is very extremely difficult to make money in this space, but it's one of the fastest ways to do so whenever you do start to make money in this space, right? I remember, I was doing terrible the entire time in crypto. Then, end of Q3 2023 to Q1 2024, in that 6-month period, it was so easy to make money in the space, right? So that's how crypto is. It's a lot of patience. It's a lot of, boring price action until one moment, boom, liquidity floods the market. Then you could just see your growth in your portfolio and your net worth just happen just like that. But you have to stay on point on things, right? In my opinion. So like I said, I think Zora could potentially go to $1 to $10, right? 10 billion market cap for Zora is, in my opinion, is not far-fetched. If Pepe, the meme coin, went to 11 billion market cap, I'll keep making that reference. If Pepe, the meme coin, went to 11 billion market cap, right, last year, 2024, because the year is almost over, right? If Pepe could do that, I see Zora going to a $10 billion, if not $50 billion market cap, right? Why do I say this? Well, I've mentioned it in many videos, the utility of Zora, how the creator coins that are activated, it's the main coin in the Zora ecosystem from all these millions of new creators that will be onboarded for the base app. And then their creator coin, every time they make a post on the base app under the creator coin, that is another coin that is paired to their creator coin. And that flywheels just generates revenue for Zora. And it just generates more of just a positive feedback loop for the Zora project and its price action, in my opinion. And I think that's the next step we're gonna see in the future, where one of these crypto social platform takes off. We've seen it with previous social platforms. None of them really worked, but I do truly believe that Zora will, right? And if Meta, Mark Zuckerberg's stock, which includes Instagram, Facebook, and other, platforms, is at trillions of dollars, I wouldn't be so shocked to think that Zora could get to 10 to 50 billion in market cap, when the Meta stock, which is a encompassing social media stock, is at trillions of dollars. Why can't Zora get to 10 to 50 billion market cap? Again, if Pepe could get to 11 billion market cap, why can't Zora get to 10 to 50 billion market cap? Tell me why. I want to know the reason why. Why would you think it can't happen? I think it's going to happen. So $1 to $5 Zora, in my opinion, is very possible. So even if you have 20,000 tokens, right? You have 20,000 Zora, it goes to $1. That's $20,000, right? It goes to $2, that's $40,000. It goes to $5, which is my main target for Zora, the top target. Maybe even $10, honestly, but that would probably be the next cycle, right? But $5 for this cycle is my target, top target, extra bullish target. So if you have 20,000 tokens, it goes to $5. That's $100,000 at $5. 2 times 5 is 10. There you go, $100,000 from $1,000 invested. If you could afford 20,000 Zora, right? That's $1,000, right? 977 rounded off, right? What also is very interesting is that I saw the base app post a new creator coin that launched, and this is a creation that a creator coin that instantly went to $1.2 million in market cap. It launched just absolutely sent. Why is this important? I'm not shilling the coin. I'm just showing you right here. If you could see right here in this is the base scan, right? So you could see all the base trending tokens that are on base at the moment right now. As you could see, this little Michaela base coin, right? It instantly gets paired to Zora as a creator coin. I wish I could highlight it for you guys to see, but look at where my cursor is, right? It instantly gets paired to Zora, as you can see. So every creator coin that is activated gets paired to Zora, and as those creator coins grow, so does Zora grow, right? It's pretty much simple. It's just like any network. You see Solana, you see Ethereum, other L1 networks. When the coins on the network grows and you get huge parabolic runs of said coins, you see parabolic growth in the main flywheel network coin, right? So you saw Solana this cycle, how Solana went from nothing, it was completely dead, and then meme coins like Bonk and Wave and all the meme coins exploded on Solana. What happened to the Solana price action? It instantly shot up because so many people were buying Solana to trade those meme coins, right? And that's just that positive feedback loop. The same thing applies here for Zora, just in the version of creator coins, which in my opinion is it's much easier to onboard users with creator coins, right? Because everybody wants to earn a little bit of money on a social media platform, especially in the time that we're in right now with streamers making 7 figures. See, streamers, they're not even 25 years old. They're 17-year-olds, 16-year-olds. You know, they ain't even 20 yet. And they're making 7 figures, right? So people want to create and make that type of money too. So that's where Zora comes in. So I think that's where you see those millions of users on board to, you know, make those creator coins, activate them to, and obviously, like I said, instantly gets paired to Zora. They grow, so does Zora as well. Yeah, there you go. That's my Zora update. As always, this is not financial advice. Make sure you guys don't invest more than you're willing to lose. As always, like I say, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Really think Zora is going to be a major player in the space. Just have to be patient, accumulate, and, you know, remember, altcoins, it's been rough for altcoins, man. The past how many years have altcoins been underperforming? But you have to look for the ones that are outperforming and are doing well. This is not a meme coin, in my opinion. It has utility. This has some type of use case backed heavily by base. And I think Zora is going to do extremely well if you want to step away from memes, right? This generates revenue. This generates fees. This has an actual platform that you could download on your phone. I don't know how many of you have downloaded the Zora app. You should, right? And I think it's going to do very, very amazingly. So, as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.